Shane here, and welcome to my vlog. And today this is Project Escape. What I'm going to do today is, I haven't gotten a new coil yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap out coils. You've got 4, 5, and 6 on the back side, but you've got to pull the intake. Is 1, 2, 3 on the back side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull 4 and 5 around because I keep getting a misfire on 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it. And if I get another misfire and the misfire is on 5, then I know that the coil is bad. That's what I had to do on the front, on the back side. And then I had a bad one here. So I've already swapped this one out. I've changed all the back ones already because they all went bad. And now we're slowly coming into the last 2 here. So stay tuned. I'm going to pull those. They're not number 9. So you're going to do that, and then I'm going to swap them out. Such a pain, you know. They could have designed it just with a coil pack. What's going on here? They could have designed it just with a coil pack and not individual coils. It's just a pain. And the bad thing about it is you got to remove. Come on. No, look at it. We got to remove the freaking intake to do 1 through 5. Oh. Not even. It's as if the Healy coil is telling me the freaking Healy coil is spun inside. Yep, see that? You pain in the butt. Yep, Healy coil. Let go inside there. Ay, 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 ay. Ah, man. Yeah, that's spun. Okay, squeeze. Squeeze and remove. Alright. These original. These aftermarket. And this is the one that's bad by, supposedly. There's not Autolite. That's an appears to be an aftermarket. Oh, man. And that's something. That's already broke. Huh. Okay. Alright, let's get the other one off. I'm swapping. Gonna be this one here. I gotta get my socket off of here. Oh, come on. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Alright, so it's just gonna be held down now, but much you can do. Jesus. What I can do there right now. Such a son of a guns. Alright, that's supposedly the bad one. swap me another one here. Hopefully this one is going to let go instead of taking the Healy coil with it. I think so. I think we can make it on this one. Yep. And I will lube it up really good. Get my blaster, spray it in that Healy coil. Pop that, squeeze and release. That's cool. Sorry. Okay. There we go. Squeeze and release. And it looks like the inner insert here. Yeah. Starts to deteriorate, gets underneath there. It's broken the plastic because it expands. So these appeared again. I don't know. What they're recommending is that you want using Autolite. You use Autolites, coils and plugs. And I'm thinking somebody came in here and changed them out with aftermarket. Aftermarkets. Blasting me with it. Okay, so I got some blaster on that. I think what I'm going to do while I'm at it, I want to check that plug in there and see if that sucker is actually behaving itself, or I got a foul plug. Because it could be three, as far as I'm concerned, it could be three different things. We could have a bad, I could have a bad plug, coil, or even a fuel injector. So for the moment, what I'm doing is I'm swapping. The easiest thing to do right now is to swap coils. Oh. Holy cow, are you stiff? Oh, man. Take a look at the plug real quick. It will tell me. There we go. What's going on down there? Some that's stuff leaking around my there, but it is. It's clean and it's gray. So that is a good sign. It doesn't look too bad. Of course, do you think I can find my... Looking one the other day. I don't know. my gap checker. But I know these are pretty wide to begin with, so Alright, let's get back in there. A little bit of doesn't look too bad. It's not fouling, put it that way, as far as I'm concerned. Definitely not fouling. So next thing to do, we'll find out. After I drive it for a while, and I won't take alright. Oh, come on. Give me a plug back. Man. Alright, what's the other? I have to use tools to get a tool. Alright. There. Alright, let's swap the coils. This is the bad one. Yep, sure is. Plug her in. Okay. Here's the newer one. Okay. Unfortunately, either one is gonna be worth putting back in. The drop the socket in it. That's freaking perfect. Okay, good enough. You don't fuck with that. Alright. This one's on there enough. It's right there. It's touching. Okay. So, with that said, I can actually